Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going full throttle into the future of German performance with the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT20. A car that blurs the line between race-bred engineering and road-going luxury, the GT20 is not just an evolution, it's a revolution. From its head-turning design to hybrid-enhanced performance and digital innovation, this car is all about redefining the supercar experience. Let's break down exactly what makes the GT20 a masterpiece on four wheels. Body panels. The 2026 AMG GT20 wears a muscular, wide-body design crafted almost entirely from carbon fiber and aluminum composites. This not only reduces weight but dramatically increases structural rigidity. You'll immediately notice the sculpted side skirts, flared fenders, and active aerodynamic elements that adapt based on speed and drive mode. Every crease, curve, and air channel has a purpose: to either reduce drag or maximize downforce. The Coupe's low, wide stance isn't just for drama, it contributes to its razor-sharp cornering and stability at high speeds. The GT20 looks fast standing still, and even faster in motion. Headlights. At the front, the digital light LED matrix headlights provide both style and intelligence. These adaptive beams can project road markings and warnings directly onto the pavement, while also adjusting dynamically to traffic and weather conditions. The lights feature signature AMG lighting patterns, with sleek, horizontal DRLs and precision-cut housings. They're aggressive, futuristic, and purely functional. Taillights. The rear is equally bold with razor-thin OLED taillights that feature animated sequences on startup and shutdown. These taillights aren't just beautiful, they also boost visibility and react to braking intensity in real time. Integrated into the active rear diffuser and spoiler system, they help reduce turbulence and give the GT20 a bold, unmistakable signature from behind. Grille. Front and center is the Panamericana grille, enlarged and reshaped for better cooling and visual dominance. Vertical slats in high-gloss black, flanked by active air flaps and deep intakes, give the GT20 an aggressive snarl. The AMG badge sits proudly in the center, reminding you this isn't just a Mercedes, it's the result of decades of motorsport excellence. Seats. Step inside, and you're greeted with AMG Performance bucket seats, wrapped in Nappa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber inserts. These seats are heavily bolstered to hold you tightly during high-G maneuvers but still offer power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and even optional massage functions for long-distance comfort. Whether you're hitting apexes or traffic lights, you ride in luxury. Dashboard. The dashboard is a symmetrical, wraparound design that puts the driver at the center of everything. Carbon fiber trim flows across the dash, housing jet turbine-style air vents, customizable ambient lighting, and a massive digital display that stretches across 2/3 of the cabin. Subtle branding and precision finishes make the cabin feel like a high-tech control room, exactly what you'd expect in a futuristic supercar. Infotainment system. The GT20 is equipped with the latest in-box hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass panel that merges the driver display, central touchscreen, and passenger display into one seamless interface. Powered by AI, it learns your habits and suggests routes, performance settings, or entertainment. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and even an AMG Track Pace app to log lap times, G-forces, and telemetry data. A Burmester 3D sound system rounds out the experience with studio-quality audio. Steering wheel. The AMG Performance steering wheel is a perfect fusion of sport and function. Finished in dynamic microfiber with carbon accents, It features integrated touch controllers, haptic feedback, and customizable AMG drive selectors right on the wheel. The flat-bottom design improves legroom, while heated and ventilated options ensure all-season usability. Paddle shifters mounted behind the wheel provide razor-sharp gear changes when in manual mode. Engine. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, AMG's signature A, but now even more refined and potent. It produces over 680 horsepower and 700 pounds-feet of torque, propelling the GT20 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds flat. Paired with a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift MCT transmission, the shifts are lightning fast and incredibly responsive. Every rev feels like a symphony of controlled fury, and thanks to a fully variable 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive system, the power is always where you need it, whether you're taking a corner or tearing down a straightaway. Hybrid option. What sets the 2026 GT20 apart is its F1-inspired plug-in hybrid system. An electric motor on the rear axle adds an extra 200 horsepower, bringing the total output near 900 horsepower in race mode. It also allows for up to 20 miles of all-electric range for short city drives. The hybrid system isn't about efficiency, it's about torque fill, launch control boosts, and delivering instantaneous acceleration. It's the best of both worlds. Electrification meets unfiltered AMG aggression. Airbags. Safety is never overlooked. The GT20 is equipped with 10 airbags, including knee, side, and curtain protection. It also features a pre-safe system that tightens belts, adjusts seat positions, and closes windows in the event of a potential collision. Built with a rigid carbon aluminum structure, the car offers superb crash protection without compromising weight or performance. Parking assist. Despite its supercar dimensions, parking is a breeze with 360-degree cameras, automatic parking assist, and a surround view system that gives you a top-down image of your surroundings. The rear axle steering system also aids in maneuverability, making tight urban turns and parking much easier than you'd expect for a car of this caliber. Price. So, what does this futuristic beast cost? The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT20 starts at around $175,000, but depending on the trim, carbon options, and the hybrid upgrade, it can climb to $210,000 or more. For a handcrafted supercar with hybrid tech, AMG pedigree, and everyday usability, it's a bold but worthwhile investment. Ending note. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT20, a car that redefines what a modern supercar can be. It's fast, smart, efficient, luxurious, and absolutely thrilling. From the racetrack to the city street, this AMG is built for those who crave performance without compromise. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more high-octane content. Got questions about this car or want a head-to-head with the Porsche 911 Turbo S or Audi R8 V10 Final Edition? Drop it in the comments, say let's talk cars. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may drive fearlessly.